Welcome back to another video. So just a little heads up, very windy in the helmet, but you might notice something a tad different. Is that I've got the new purple Panda. Everything sounds crispy clean, just like me after a shower. Hopefully it sounds impeccable, and I hope it does, because I waited a very long time for this and I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's gonna be a very short one today, because just to give you an idea of the setup, so it's a Purple Panda mic. It came from the Ukraine. It's a good mic at the end of the day, and loads of motor vloggers are using it. I'm gonna test. Currently is with the visor down, obviously we're going 30 miles per hour, so we've already got a bit of footage of that. So what I'm gonna do is, just up by here on the road is this, you know, a stretch of 40-50 mile per hour road. So this is currently with the visor down, going 30 miles per hour. When I get to this road that's just up by here, I'm going to run it at 50, but I'm going to do it with the visor up and then the visor down about halfway, so you'll just see that in a minute. Right, so let's give it a go. So this is me talking normally without shouting down the mic. Let's see how well it does in preventing the wind at 50 miles per hour with the visor down. There's no 6 gears brake. There isn't any 6 gears. So this is going to be visor up at 60 miles per hour. Full on headwind, blowing in my eyeballs, blistering my soul. So this is 40 with wind and visor open. And this is me cornering very delicately. Still getting used to the wheels. But I'll be honest, I think they're quite grippy. The front wheel could be a bit more, you know. But just gotta be gentle on the throttle. So this is 30 miles per hour with the visor up. And basically I do have the dead cat on. So you might get a bit of wind buffeting, but a lot of post-processing, a little bit of post-processing should eliminate it. It's not guaranteed though, but I have heard great things about the Purple Panda and how it prevents wind noise and wind buffeting. So yeah, sorry, as I was saying, I've got a nice clean setup here. So yeah, basically I've made a really clean setup. I don't know if you can see that in my mirror, because I've got the mirror pointing down so you can see the traffic in my right mirror, just in case I get overtaken, yada yada yada. This mirror is just there. It's just so I can see any cyclists on my left and all that jazz. So I've got a little bit of time to go around the outside. I know it's really good at picking up surround sound as well, so it'd be interesting to find out how that car sounds going past. Everything is as it should be. I mean, at 30 miles per hour it should be pretty pucker, and it should be quite resistant to the wind noise. Yes, it's good, it's amazing, thank fuck for that. When I get a chance, I am going to do a full-on review of this bike. I will do an impression video, but at the moment, because I'm doing so much overtime, Mercedes probably like, why is that fucker following me? It's gonna murder me. It's gonna murder me. It is going to be really busy when it works. Oh my god. Oh man, I'm so glad I've got this mic set up so good. I have got to be careful with it though. So if it does end up raining, I am waiting on some silicone plugs. So far so good. I mean, there's less wind noise in this helmet from what I could tell, but I won't know until later when I get into work and I watch over the footage. Yes, 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 it works, it's fucking wicked. And I can spoil you guys with absolute beautiful footage. Wow, BG67PEK, just run a red light, or a prick. There you go, Moto Madness. Have a clip. Fucking hell. You get some dickheads when it's evening drivers. I am so happy. I'm so glad I got my mic. Can't you tell? I'm fucking sorry. I need my chicken. I need my goddamn chicken. Don't you dare. Stay over there. Blinded by the lights. If you like this video, click the like button. Throw a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the new setup, whether it's good or bad. Till the next one, my beautiful, beautiful people. Hit that subscribe button. I'll find you.